AZCO Corp designed and manufactured a cut-to-length system with motorized unwind and adjustable height stand. Color touchscreen control panel for easy setup and operation. Material is placed on a motorized unwind stand. A dancer assembly controls the unwind station. A no product sensor helps to detect the material. Unit will automatically shut down when no product is sensed. The material is guided by guide rollers into the knife assembly. Material is fed and cut to length. Cut product slides down the 45-degree angled outfeed chute. A jam eye sensor helps to detect jam issues. Unit will automatically shut down when no product is sensed exiting knife assembly, indicating an internal jam. A base plate supports the modules and is on an adjustable height stand. Please give us a call to discuss your application.